Hello folks, welcome to For All Family, where we strive to empower those living with chronic conditions like asthma and eczema with crucial and practical day-to-day information. Today we're exploring an important question. How long can Dupixent, a biological drug, stay out of the fridge without spoiling? Let's delve right in. What is Dupixent? Dupixent, or dupilumab, is an FDA-approved drug used for various respiratory and allergic conditions like asthma, eczema, and others. Its main function is to block two natural proteins in the body that cause inflammation and swelling. Dupixent storage instructions. The developers of Dupixent recommend storing the drug in the fridge at temperatures between 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Once out of the fridge, Dupixent can be kept at room temperature below 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius, but only for up to 14 days. Remember, if you take a syringe or a pen out of the fridge, it must be used within the 14-day window, and you should never expose it to temperatures above 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius. Also, Dupixent should be kept away from light and never frozen. Freezing temperatures deteriorate biological drugs, so never use Dupixent that has been frozen, even if it has thawed afterward. Traveling with Dupixent. When traveling, use a portable medicine cooler, like For All Family's medical-grade travel coolers, to maintain an ideal temperature for your medication. We offer the most reliable travel coolers for medicines on the market. From lightweight cooling bottles to advanced portable mini fridges with temperature display and auto shut-off safety, we've got your needs covered. Whether it's a road trip, a business travel, or an adventurous outdoor getaway, our coolers keep your Dupixent injections at the ideal temperature for a few hours to multiple days. All our coolers are TSA approved, making air travel stress-free. Click the link below to choose yours today. What happens if Dupixent isn't refrigerated? So, what happens if Dupixent isn't refrigerated? Well, it may cause irreversible denaturation of the medicine, resulting in the loss of its biological activity and ultimately its efficiency. In extreme cases, unrefrigerated Dupixent may even become contaminated. How to tell if Dupixent has gone bad? Now, you might wonder, how can you tell if your Dupixent has gone bad? Signs that Dupixent has gone bad include discoloration, cloudiness, or visible particles inside. If the medicine appears pale yellow, has bumps, or has strings inside, it's no longer safe for use. Always check the expiration date on the single-dose pre-filled syringes or pens, and if in doubt, dispose of your medication and get a new, unopened device from your fridge or the pharmacy. We hope this video has shed light on how to store your Dupixent properly. Your health and safety are our utmost priorities, so don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe and visit www.forallfamily.com for more tips. Stay safe, everyone.